welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we are unboxing the BoxyCharm premium box.
It's huge.
It is very heavy too, for July 2022. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Jennifer. This is my husband, Aaron. On my channel, I love to do all things makeup related, and that includes unboxing makeup subscription boxes. And I also, on my channel, do talk a little bit about mental health issues. So if you are into any of that, or if you are into all of that, then I would love it if you would hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell and set it to all so that you're notified every time that I upload a new video. And if you are one of my returning subscribers or viewers, thank you so much for clicking on this video to watch. I greatly appreciate you for coming back time and time again. And just thank you so much. And okay, this box, I think it costs $40 now. And I'm surprised you haven't said anything yet, Aaron.
Is that the blue one?
Yeah, when you open it, you know it is the premium box. When you open it and it is blue inside.
Premium box full of premium rocks.
In this box, you get 6 items. You get to choose 2 of those items. I have totally forgotten what I have chosen. I will leave a link down to BoxyCharm down below if you are interested. Wow, they have included packaging this time out the wazoo.
Where is the wazoo exactly?
Okay, in your box you get a card with a theme. This month's theme is status OOO, which I have heard means out of office, which we will be very soon. And okay, the first thing, and I'm so excited about this, that I heard we are getting is the Lunar Beauty Nude Prism color palette. This is Manny's brand. Manny,
Okay.
Anyway, you know who he is?
I did.
Okay.
Who's that guy?
He is that guy. So, can you read a little bit about it while I try to open this?
Lunar Beauty Nude Prism eyeshadow palette. Soft and romantic. 18 well eyeshadow palette of neutrals and soft pinks. 6 shimmers and 12 mattes.
That's all it says?
That's all it says. MSRP $48 at Lunar Beauty.
Can you open this?
The power of the moon shines down upon your face.
Oh man, I'm seeing something in here that is gonna make a lot of people mad if they get it.
It's so powerful. You can't even get it out of that box. All right, here it goes. It's coming. Power of the moon compels you. Ooh, look at that. Ooh.
That is cool.
Ooh, it's a little relief. Moon.
His palettes are pretty cool.
Fancy.
I mean, this is the first palette I'm getting from him. But it does have a mirror and a color saver. And it is
Fancy looking.
What am I going to say? It is a nude palette. There are some pinks and nudes up here. These are your shimmer shadows. I'm glad to see they are nice and metallic looking. And these are some browns, and it has a nice black. And yeah, let's swatch some of these.
Okay. Also, let's do some color dramatic readings. Bare. So icy. You're golden. Expose. Moody. I'm shy.
Okay. This is Sakura.
Tease.
Let's do Tease. Let's do Bloom for You, and let's see how black this black gets. Oh, okay.
Vibes.
Oh, wow. Okay. I'm swatching with my pinky here. Well, that's a decent black, I guess.
Deeper.
Swatches don't tell everything. But those are some pretty nice colors there. Let me swatch some of these shimmers. Let's do your golden 8 a.m. or is that 9 a.m.? No, that's Sam.
Sam.
Expose and Star-Crossed. Oh, I love a good gold.
Some nice colors.
Yeah. Those are really nice. Those are some really nice gold looking. They're all kind of goldish looking.
Yeah. Or like rose gold and
there's a rose gold,
coppery gold.
Oh, I love gold. I am definitely, I usually do a makeup get ready with me using makeup that I get in subscription boxes video, and I'm definitely going to be using this palette. Again, look at that. That is so pretty.
Yeah, I like the moon on the front. That's cool.
Okay.
Moon shining through the cherry blossoms.
Okay, we've only gotten through one product and we're already 7 minutes in. Okay, this product. Okay, I don't mind getting these in the base box, but I don't like getting this in the premium box. Look, this is one item. 2 sponges. Okay, where'd the card go? Tell me how much the sponges are.
Luxie all-purpose sponge set. The duo-sided beauty sponge is best used damp and made for your liquid complexion products. This sponge absorbs the least amount of product and applies the majority of it on your skin. The microfiber sponge used dry will apply your powder products smoothly, or used wet will apply your liquid products with no lines of demarcation. $40.
Oh my gosh!
$20 per sponge.
Wait, you were supposed to put this back in here.
I don't like the rules.
Boxy, really?
Really boxy.
I will use these sponges.
Angrily.
But I will not enjoy it. Okay, this item I did pick. It is the Stone Street Soap House Geronimo Wholesome Body Cream.
With a heart of geranium flower oil, Geronimo is a little floral, a little herbal, and so very Moorish.
Moorish.
Moorish. Like more. It's even more. Moorish. Natural oils including jojoba, argan, and almond nourish the skin without making it greasy.
That smells like soap.
Free from colors and parabens. Cruelty-free. Made in England. Oh, I'm doing it wrong. Made in England with 100% responsibly sourced natural oils. MSRP $32 at Stone Street Soap. New brand to Boxy.
I don't like the smell of it.
With a heart of geranium flower oil.
Although it's not too greasy.
Well, it's good because they specifically said without making it greasy, so.
I just don't like the smell. I don't want to smell like this.
You don't want to smell like your heart is made from geranium flower oil?
Smell it.
It smells like soap in the bathroom at a public bathroom.
That's exactly what it smells like. Okay, let's do something I'm kind of excited about. This shampoo, how would you say that? Outre?
Best Buds shampoo plus conditioner duo.
Sorry about the noise. Okay.
Healthy hair begins with the healthy scalp. This daily duo repairs and hydrates stressed out strands with natural ingredients like jojoba,
My hands are slippery.
baobab, and avocado, while the anti-inflammatory benefits of CBD oil nourish and soothe your scalp. It's great for all hair types too. Tame
Oh,
frizz,
no, it smells good.
protect your hair color and add lustrous shine. That smells good. That smells $66 good.
For these little things?
Yep. $33 each.
I've never heard of this brand before.
But it's heard of you.
Okay, there is no makeup in here. Okay, I guess this. Okay,
Tinted moisturizer.
This is makeup.
And the eyeshadow palette
I know.
that we talked about for 15 minutes straight.
Okay.
Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Moisturizer. The #1 tinted moisturizer in the U.S. This 3-in-1 multitasker is a moisturizer, skin tint, and SPF 30 with, yeah, you thought, you knew, you heard, it's coming, hyaluronic acid to boost hydration for a dewy, healthy-looking glow. MSRP $37 at Bare Minerals.
I might have to give this to you because I think I picked the wrong shade.
Tinted moisturizer, a tinted moisturizer.
See that color?
Yeah. I might could pull it off.
You want it?
Sure.
Okay.
It is, after all, the #1 tinted moisturizer in the U.S.
Yeah, and I just
So
picked
if
the
I
wrong
use it, then I am therefore more popular by using it.
See, that's... They... Look, I'm just going to be real.
Are you not going to lie?
When it comes to choice time, I have to be quick because my shades are very popular. So I don't have a lot of time to pick and choose which colors and they don't say on there what the colors are. So I don't have time to go and look on Bare Minerals and see what's what. So I have to be quick and choose. Or if I do that and go back,
You hesitate for a second, it's gone. It's
basically,
gone forever.
Yeah. There are a lot of white women that like BoxyCharm. So...
And white boys.
Whatever. So I don't have time to be lollygagging around on it. So if I want a tinted moisturizer, I have to choose quick.
You just strike like lightning.
So I picked the wrong color. So, okay, here is the last thing.
It's blue.
It is the Avon
Skincare Blue Volcanic Stone Purifying and Antioxidizing Cleansing Gel. A mild, non-drying gel. This aims to... It aims to. It doesn't. It aims to. Good luck. To effortlessly eliminate excess oil, dirt, and makeup without leaving skin feeling overexposed. With a cocktail of antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant extracts, it helps prevent breakouts. See, it doesn't aim to help prevent breakouts. It does help prevent breakouts.
Okay.
And soothe irritation. The perfect first step in your skincare regime. A bargain at only $110. You just,
Avon is expensive.
Squirt it all over the place. Slather it on the cat.
Okay, can you add up everything?
More where that came from.
Can you add up those $40 sponges and this $110 cleanser?
I can. I don't know why I was trying to do it with my alarm clock app, but here we go.
This is the only thing I'm really excited about in this box. I give this box 2 stars. Because I'm excited about this and these products, these hair care products. And I'm not usually excited about hair care products.
Total is 333.
Wow.
And a third of that is this.
That is, I don't know this. Well, usually I like the premium boxes. And really, this is amazing that they could get this in there. But everything else.
Well then.
This probably is an amazing product, but I'll never know because this says vanilla too. This doesn't help me when it comes.
What does it say?
It says vanilla O2. And that's probably what it said when it was time to pick out shades. This doesn't tell me anything. I needed to say
icicle.
light, medium light, things like that. Light with neutral undertone. I needed to say things like that.
If you don't know what flavor your tinted moisturizer should be, then I mean, I don't know how to help you.
Okay, that is my rant. My rant is over. Okay, let me know down below if you got your BoxyCharm Premium, and what items you got. Are we Boxy twins? As far as I know, everybody gets that Lunar Beauty palette. So, yeah. Did you get those sponges? I would love to know. Okay. Leave a comment down below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. And we hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. And if you are not, we hope something comes along and kickstarts your day so that you can have a wonderful, fantastic day out there. Right, Aaron?
Right.
And if you are having an especially hard time, know that we are thinking about you and sending you out those good vibes. And just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. And we will see you in another video tomorrow. And just stay well until then. Okay, goodbye.